In this video, I made 3 scratch games, but each one gets increasingly better, starting with number 1. So, let's start. So, if this is supposed to be a really bad game, it cannot be good, like any good. So now, ooh, we have to do that and a little bit of that. Okay, now let's actually start. When this sprite clicked, change my variable by 1. Let's rename thy variable to lick. Oof, but it doesn't visualize those type of variables. I can't make it the same name, so let's call it liker. And you have to like since you saw liker. That was for number 1. Now for number 3, I was thinking about adding a little bit of Shazazz, maybe like a little 3D rotating wall. I totally didn't get off of YouTube. First, I need a new variable called rotation. Now, I need to do one green flag for a pin, erase a high, pin down, go to x0, y50, point in direction of rotation, move steps, change y, pin cool slider thing that I can move around. That was for number 2. Now for number 3. Now for the third one, there's a twist. All the sprites are random.
I'm sorry, but you gotta go. I'll see you in 1 year.
You gave me a centaur from Narnia? Fine. Paint. I'm sorry, backdrop, but you gotta go. Bruh. And now I need another sprite for the surprise. Okay, this is about to be hard. Make it like that. So basically what I need to do is I need to make this ship spawn in a few places every few seconds. So I'm gonna do when green flag click, forever, wait 1 second, create clone of myself, go to a random position, or go to a random position. Boom, we got it working. Now we need another wait 2 seconds and delete this clone. Boom. Now all I need to do is make this thing smaller, around 70 is fine. And I need to add movements. When green flag clicked, forever, if key, right arrow, press, change x by -5. Change x by -5. Change. Now we have basic movement controls. Now, to add another if statement, and we're going to put a if touching sailboat, which is our other sprite. Then what I want to do is I want to make this thing turn 15 degrees. Oh lord. And I want to create a new variable called score. And I want to change score by 1. There you have it, game 3. I hope you liked the video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and bye. Subscribe and like now!